A Bachelor of Business Administration degree from Nipissing University can prepare you to work in a number of areas within an organization or be your own boss. The degree takes 4 full-time years of study to complete and is completed in person here on our campus in North Bay. We offer 6 areas that you can specialize in, including accounting, finance, human resources, marketing, international business, and entrepreneurship and innovation leadership. At Nipissing University, you don't select your specialization until the end of your first year. When you apply, you're going to apply to the general Bachelor of Business Administration or BBA program. In your first year, you'll take foundational courses from a number of those functional areas. This gives you the opportunity to explore them and decide which one is really for you, but it also makes sure that by the time you graduate, you have at least some breadth of understanding of the different functional areas within an organization. Experiential education is a cornerstone of making sure that you're able to apply what you're learning in the classroom into the real world. And for our BBA students, there are a couple of options for you. We have our iLead diploma, which stands for Learning Through Experience, Action, and Discovery. This is an optional certificate that you can pursue alongside your degree that gives students the opportunity to do things like placement hours, where you'll get real work experience. You get opportunities to further develop your professional skills, and some students take advantage of yearly trips abroad to places like Jamaica or Germany, where they will participate and compete in case competitions against other international business schools. It's a pretty unique and cool opportunity for our students. Another way to put what you're learning in the classroom into practice is to do a co-op. Co-op is paid work experience where you're earning both money and credit towards your degree. At Nipissing University, you have to complete at least 12 months of co-op placement in order to receive the designation on your degree. That designation, plus the experience that you've gained, looks great on resumes and can help you find a job when you graduate. Your co-op employer may even be the one to hire you once you finish university. You might be looking to become a designated professional in fields like human resource management or accounting. Again, you might want to be your own boss. Or you might be pursuing a business degree for something completely unrelated. But whatever your reason for taking a business degree, Nipissing University can make sure that you get the strong foundation that you need to be successful in your future.